Okay, say when. Yeah?
Yep.
Okay, so today we're going to look at overtaking situations. Overtaking obviously is dangerous, and so because potentially you're on the wrong side of the road or you've got fast flowing traffic, and when you're trying to do that. So we first of all have to ask ourselves the question, is it the right thing to do? Should we overtake, or should we just hold back? But once we've made that decision to overtake, we use that good skill of mirror signal manoeuvre that we've been practicing all the way through our driving skills so far. So let's say you've seen a vehicle that you want to overtake, like a slow moving lorry. What we first of all should think about is how far that lorry is going to be down the road by the time you get ready to come back in. So you've got to allow for that actual distance that the vehicle is going to travel. But once you've made the decision, centre mirror, right mirror, put the right signal on, get yourself out to your normal driving position from the side. If it was a dual carriageway, get yourself in the middle of the lane. Let's say the new lane, the lane 2 that you want to go into. Now, for when you want to come back in, ideally you shouldn't try to come back in until you can see the front of the vehicle in your centre mirror. And when that happens, you know there's enough safe space for you to do it. But I also want you to also check that left-hand mirror to make sure there's nothing down the side that you missed, and then decide if you need a signal to come back over. If you do, put it on, but gently come back into your normal driving position. Don't go sharply to scare the vehicle that you've overtaken. So nice and smoothly back into your normal driving position. And that's overtaking. It really is simple. The bottom picture here is just showing you if you start to gain on a vehicle and you get closer and closer to it than you need, you're going to have a less of a view. And as you can see here, the one that's actually got close to the lorry can't even see the vehicle come towards him. So if he went, there's a lot of danger. Whereas if you hang back from the vehicle, keep yourself ready for the position for overtaking, which is to get near the middle, you'll basically have a nice, easier life and safer life to get around these things. There's lots of information on the right hand side here, things where you shouldn't be thinking of overtaking, for instance like a pedestrian crossing coming up, if you're going towards the brow of a hill, lots and lots and lots of signs. Again, even this one, the dual carriageway ahead, you know, if you've got the dual carriageway, it's going to be easier to get around something than it would be on that single carriageway, so it may be worthwhile waiting. So apart from that, it's just time to get out there and have a go.